Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Omaha. Firstly, open any of the web browser. In the top there's this address bar, type on nebraska.gov and enter it. And once inside this homepage, what you need to do is select this all services here. And after that, select this search all services here. And over here, what you need to do is type down ticket. So over here, you need to select this pay a citation or ticket here. So from here, scroll a bit down again and select this online services. And from here, scroll a bit down and select this pay a traffic ticket again. So over here, select this pay ticket or citation here. And select this next in the bottom right. So from here, what you need to do is you need to simply select the country. And over here, type down your citation number and the date of citation here as well. After that, what you can do is you need to fill up the form here and follow the on-screen instructions. Select this next. And after that, you can review the amount due and complete your payment. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.